Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you my monthly bead box for the month of May, the Curated bead box. It is a $20 a month with free shipping every month. This month is called Jacaranda Lane, and here they just put everything that's in the box. In case you're looking for a specific one, you can find it on their website.
And it looks like the sizes are all from, on the beads, 8mm to 12mm, and the metal findings, 4mm, 5mm. Comes in this box.
First thing is these really pretty pearl beads. I'm not really big on pearl beads, especially on, these are Chinese pearl beads, but got those. And those are the 12mm. This next one is really pretty purple crackle glass beads. I have smaller ones. I have the 8mm in my store. Then this really pretty color. Next is 8mm. Wait, are these 8 or 10? They look like the same size actually. Look like they're both 10mm. But got these really pretty purple ones right here. And then these ones here. It's like a purplish blue. Looks like an ocean color. Really pretty. These ones here. I think these are 8mm. These are as well, really pretty blue color. These white ones here. They look like real stone. Stone beads tend to have imperfections in them. Really pretty. Let me see here. Okay, so it's a white semi-opaque gemstone bead. There's 2 of them. This is the other one. So this one's the white and this is the off-white, basically, like the opaque look to it. So these are both gemstones. Okay, so next I have silver chain. Some regular chain. This is about a yard, I think, of chain. It's about a yard. Some finding. Okay, so I got some jump rings. some string, lobster clasp, earrings, crimp beads, some stainless steel wire, bracelet wire. This is memory wire and some head pins. Pretty good quality. And the last thing is they put in a charm, a pendant. This here is turquoise stone. So we'll see what we come up with this box. Thanks for watching. I will leave the information below if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.